Hi, I wanted to share where I am with the election, but then most importantly, I'm going to then unhook and allow the archangels to share through me how we can come together, how we can mend this incredible divisiveness that is perhaps only reflected by this election in the US. For me personally, I voted for Kamala. I am a woman. I am from a signer of the Declaration of Independence, very democratic family on one side, on the other, East Indian immigrant who was a Republican. So a lot of divisiveness in my family, which reflected the divisiveness in our country. This actually brought in me an incredible, unending call to help bring us together. And to me, regardless of what side we're on, to me, that's what the archangels can help us do. So let's see what the archangels have to share with us about this election. There is an overarching plan here. Along the way, the stream meanders because of free choice, free will that is being exercised, and you might even say exorcised by humankind. This is a time to go deeply within, whether you're on the side of the seeming victor or the seeming loser. Realize that ultimately your lesson here is there are no sides. There are no sides. We are all sourced from the same substance of love. Be at peace. We angels are surrounding your country now at this very divisive time. Some are celebrating, some are grieving. Allow both. Do not diminish how you feel because of either spiritual bypass or because of what your neighbor is feeling. Allow yourself to express, whether it's celebration, whether it's grief. Truly allow yourself to express, especially if it's grief or anxiety or concern. Allow an outlet for that. Speak to friends, beat pillows, do whatever you need, take long walks in nature, do what you need to do to allow yourself to feel that, but don't hang out there too long because it will take you down. Because the truth is, God has never left your next breath. God is always God, goddess, universe, spirit is always within you, eminently manifesting and fulfilling, yes, even through this action. We are with you. The shifting from matriarchy to patriarchy, and now back into more of a coming together, even though it may not seem that way, is occurring. So be aware that the divine feminine is as strong as the divine masculine, and there are no sides. There's only an expression of polarity. So do your best to release judgment, especially release concern or worry, because that will only perpetuate more. All is truly well. Karma is being played out here. Dharma is being entered in. This is a time to come together from within your own heart and then to express what is true for you and to not hold back from that, but to do so in a place of respect, awareness that you really don't know enough to judge, and the truth that all is unfolding in a way that will ultimately lead to love. Again, there's meandering and side streets along the way, but the road is paved with gold. We are being christened, and that supersedes any kind of religion or no religion. It's just the path to grace. And that path is paved with choice, minute choices daily to choose loving, to choose the highway, the highest way, when everything compels us to choose less. And each of those choices add up to a shimmering path of gold. We will get there. We're already in the midst of that. Have faith. We surround you at this time, call upon us to bring you into greater peace, expansion, and trust. We're always with you. Amen.